Hi, I'm Trevor with Savant. Welcome to ISE 2022, and here we are launching daylight mode in the European markets. Let me show you real quick what that is all about. So here we have a lighting integration with the Savant system for our partnership with Lutron and Colorbox. One of the things first before we get to daylight mode is the temperature control of these fixtures. So with the experience that Savant offers, clients can now very easily, like for the daytime, go to like a daytime mode, for example, and hit here 5500 Kelvin temperature. Very nice for during the day hours, but really not a great experience during the later hours. So for clients, we made it super easy with that same fixture in the Savant user experience to maybe go back to like a 3600, like much more of a calming or much more of a pleasant temperature. And we can bring this all the way down to like a nice, comfortable 2900 Kelvin. So this gives the clients the ability to have like the same light fixture to be able to be used at different times of the day, easy access to it, and be able to actually save these in scenes so they can quickly trigger these in scenes. But what's really interesting here is that we also have now been able to offer clients in the European markets daylight mode, an exclusive of Savant. Let me give you here a demo of how that works. Off the bat, we actually create daylight mode for the clients, and they can always go in and personalize it. So let me go into the settings here. I'm sorry. Here you go, daylight mode. So for clients, we automatically set like a default, but they have also always the availability to go in and make some changes. So really high level of personalization. So for example, I can have a fixed time that I want to change the lights for the clients in the house, or I can go to a celestial time. And even with a celestial time, if I just pick sunrise, I can do a little bit of an offset. So imagine like you're in a darker area or so and you want your lights to turn on a little bit earlier in the day. I then have the ability to change the brightness, so I can always change the brightness. So maybe I'm the one person that I want my lights to be a little bit less bright during the morning and maybe a little bit warmer. I can always make the adjustment, so it's not like they're stuck, the clients, stuck with a particular experience that we give them. We do this 4 times a day, so we've actually taken 24 hours and split them in 4 segments. These are not like fixed segments. You'll see in a demo a little bit later that these are actually very smooth transitions. So 4 times a day. Let me show you what that looks like in the end. This is what we've been building here. So we see 4 segments here, from morning to the night. And we see here it's less bright, nice and warm, and we go full brightness and like a nice, like, 56,000 Kelvin, and then later in the day to like a warm area. Now just to give you an idea what that experience looks like within 1 minute, and that kind of like how smooth did that change, let me show you how that runs. So if I just run the demo here, the client does it themselves. If they didn't like it exactly like what they had configured, they can always go back in and make some changes. So we show now here, like the moving arrow here, exactly like where we are at a point of time. And as we look up, the fixtures here are changing temperature. You can see now we're in the day mode here, and they're actually like almost 6,000 Kelvin with a high brightness. That is really great for during the day, but we definitely don't want that during the night hours. We want them to go to a nice warm setting, and we can see now we're going into the evening hours. They're ever so slightly starting to like go less in brightness, but also warmer until we drop to about a 2400 Kelvin. Now what's I think very impressive is like we normally do this over 24 hours, and even within 1 minute demo, you can barely see them like changing. It's really like smooth, great experience. If the client wants to make a change, they can simply go back, make a change, and then save it. So we hope you would like to try this in your homes. If you do, please come and check us out at savant.com and learn more about our solutions.